Diamond. The 75, Ryan Peterson, rides from Aliquippa. The 76 is Frank Karchel from Youngstown. The 77 is Robert Britton from Youngstown. Then it looks like we'll have the 79 of Robert Eichler Jr. from Salem, the 80 of Jared Russell from Canfield, the 81 will be Miles Lee from Girard, and the 82 will be Andrew Speltzer Jr. from Youngstown.
That one should win the decoration.
They got a lot of cars.
And again, this is the final eliminator heat, down to the last 3 cars left running. We got us a purple people leader in the bunch here with the 75 directly in front of me. We got the 73 on the hood, it says, Rod. There's the 70, the 76, the 80, Roman, 79, and finally it looks like the number 77. So, wow, we got a good group here for this final eliminator heat. All right. All right, I need the following cars to back up 1 car length for best appearing car. Car number 74. Car number 79. Car number 72. Car 73. Car 80. And car 77. Okay. Now drivers, please don't rev your engines. Anybody else want to be judged for best appearing car? Okay, 81's going to back up too, so 81 to the 70. Okay. All right. Folks, make some noise for 1 car only.
Gotta see a number, buddy.
All right, let's start over on the right with car number 77. Car number 79. Car number 80. Car number 70. Thanks for playing. We got some lovely party gifts for you. Number 73.
That's good.
Number 81. Number 74. Yeah, I call that a stone cold slam dunk. Car 74. Alright, got 1 driver checking his seatbelt here. Always a good thing to make sure to check. Drivers, the rest of you, make sure your belts are good and tight, your helmets are good and tight. Watch the hits of the driver's door, obey the officials' instructions at all times. If you hear the horn, that means stop. Alright. Tim's effecting some immediate repairs here for the driver of the number 71. As soon as he's good to go, we'll get our officials clear. We'll go ahead and count this puppy down and get ready to rock and roll. Okay. All right, we'll let the officials get clear to their respective zones. Are we ready for 1 more countdown and 1 more eliminator heat, everybody? All right, I'll tell you what, I'm going to have our firefighters that are standing by right here. You want to lead us all in the countdown for this one? All right, everybody, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, here we go. Final eliminator heat again, down to the last 3 cars running to move into the championship feature. And the 73 trying to put the 82 out. We got a whole bunch of them meeting in the middle. still trucking along. Swinging a miss for the Gravedigger car, the 74. And instead he's going to hammer the 82. The 79 getting ganged up on here by a bunch. Big hit from the 77. He just keeps trucking in, trying to put Gravedigger to sleep. The 79 looking for some contact here. 75 with a good shot on the Overlock car, the 73. Wow! Big hittings there from the 73. Now he's kind of stuck. 79's got a flat left rear tire. The 82 has no left rear tire. Big hit from the 79. Looks like the 72 may be done early here. The 71 gets pounded. The 80's still going strong over there. And the 77 just got caught in the Walatchik crunch from both sides. Here comes the 75, the purple people eater. And the 82, which is three-wheeling it. The 74 gets hit by the 70. Here comes the 79. 81 still in it. It looks like the 73 may be in trouble. Here comes the 80. So right now it looks like two cars on the clock, the 72 and the 73 may be on the verge of being eliminated. 75, 80, 81, 71, they're all in the mix. 76 is still running. 77 trying to move. 70, the digger car, the 74. Still running, the 82. He had to give it up for the driver of the 82. He's only got 3 wheels and he's still hitting people. He just laid one in on the Gravedigger car. And the 81 car trying to blend into the surroundings at the camouflage car. They're hoping he doesn't see him. Oh yeah! Here comes the 74. Gravedigger trying to claim another victim. The 79 just popped the 77 pretty good. Now the 79, 74 having a shoving match here. Still a lot of cars left. One of the 75 says excuse me to the 77. Pops him. There goes the tire. 77, put your helmet on. 77, helmet on. All right, the 70 and the 74 still moving. The 76, the 82. Looks like, I hate to say it, ladies and gentlemen, but it looks like the Trump train has been derailed. Car number 80 is not moving. Here comes the 74. California. 79 ripping around here on a flat left rear tire. 70 hitting the 74 over here. Man, they're all banging each other in the middle here. 3 or 4 cars all making contact together. And you got the 74 and the 70 on the other side trying to come in. The 79 gets hit by the 75. The 74 and the 82 having a pushing contest. Look out, here comes the 79. Big hit on Gravedigger. And the 75 with a good shot as well. The purple people here wants to feed. He's hungry.
Now he's
71 still hanging in there. The 70 making some contact with him. The 79 may have breathed its last directly in front of us here. As that car's steaming up pretty heavily. I love the smell of radiator in the evening. All right, the 71 just got a little tacoed by Gravedigger. So we've got the 75, the 76, the 77 all moving along with the 71, 82, 70, and 74. So still quite a few cars left to kind of filter out here. And the 82, not only does he not have a tire, but now he's basically dragging the back end under the one tire that he does have. The 74 coming in, laying a shot in on the 82. 75 and 77 trying to come around. There's a big hit on the 75 by Gravedigger. And the Gravedigger car is going to get gang tackled in the middle of the pile. They're jumping on him like he's the guy that recovered the phone. Oh, yeah. Double team hit there on the 82, and that car still won't threat. It looks like we may be down to about maybe 5 cars left to run it. We've got the 82, the 75, the 74, the 71, and the 77. 75 got out of there before it got clobbered by Gravedigger. And the 71 gets put in the corner. That's like putting a kid in timeout. The 82, he's trying to thread his way through to get over where the action is. 77 is on the clock, so we may be down to our final 4. Oh, the 71 gets wasted from both sides. And it's still going. Here comes the 82. He's going to get the front end. The 77 going to get hit by the 75. The 82 shoving Gravedigger here. So we've got 5 cars running and they're all stuck in the middle here. 71, 75, 77, 74, and 82 still running.
75
The 82 going to get ground against the wall by the Gravedigger car. The 75 gets a sandwich crunch from the 82 and the 77. And the 77 and 75 try to get separated. Now the 82 just going to get pushed in by the 74 is trying to push the pile. The 71 is trying to move and make contact, but not having much luck. And now the 75 pops a front end of Gravedigger, and here comes the 82. He's looking for the 75, swing and a miss. 71, 77, still trying to move. And the 75 puts in a shot on the 77 that may not get out, and I believe that will be it, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the 3 drivers that will move on, the 74, the Gravedigger car of John Mahar, the 75 of Ryan Peterson, and the 82 of Andrew Spencer Jr. So drivers, come on up and get your awards and your trophies here at the table.